Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about LLC versus S Corp. Which one is best for your business? Before I get into the video, be sure to subscribe and leave a comment below saying I subscribed. I will try to personally reply to your comments. An LLC is a type of legal entity that can be used to form a business. Compare to its counterparts, an LLC offers businesses more protection in the form of liability. Having incorporated protects an individual from any of the company's debt. So if there is a legal claim, the owner's personal assets cannot be used to pay. LLCs are popular because they provide the liability that is similar to a corporation, but are easier to establish. Though LLCs and S corporation are often discussed in the same breath, they actually mean different things for your business. You may be wondering what the differences are between an LLC and an S corporation. An LLC is a type of entity with tax consequences for your business, but at the same time, it offers certain legal protection. On the other hand, an S corporation is a classification with tax consequences that lets you save on taxes while retaining the protection from debt afforded by. A company needs to meet IRS guidelines in order to be recognized as an S corporation. The main benefit of an S corporation is limited liability, but it also means that corporations with 100 shareholders or less can be taxed much like a partnership. A subchapter S corporation, also known as an S company or S corporation, is a type of business entity in the United States. You can form an LLC but be taxed as an S corporation if deemed beneficial for your business. However, you can also have the LLC default taxation system. If you are not certain of what kind of business structure would be best for your firm, you should consider the different structures and their impacts. These include exposure to liabilities and taxes, as well as whether or not taxes should be collected on cash receipts. An LLC can affect your ability to grow the business in terms of financing option, the number of shareholders the company is composed of, and how it operates. Sometimes an LLC may be appropriate for a single owner business which has no plans to expand, but most likely an LLC is better suited for partnerships. An LLC is the best choice of business owners who want to be able to make changes quickly. It will also give you more personal control of your business without the need for outside investment, although it does not provide the same tax benefits. More often than not, an LLC will be the best structure to use if your business is small or personal. An S corporation, on the other hand, would work better for larger companies with more rules and regulations. Who pays more taxes, an LLC or S corp? The type of business you have will determine how much tax gets taken out. Both LLC and S Corps are types of businesses that are taxed like personal income, which means they depend on the profit that your business gets. LLCs tends to be taxed in a personal manner, but some LLC owners choose to pay taxes separately and get a different ID. S corporation owners need to be paid a salary, and their wage is subject to Social Security and Medicare taxes. A lot of the income an owner receives is also taxed as dividends, not as a salary. Some of the money after the owner's salary has been paid can be passed through to them, but not as an employee, meaning they won't pay Social Security and Medicare taxes on those funds. Why would you choose an S corporation? An S corporation protects your personal asset in case anything goes wrong with your business and creditors try to take them away. S corporations can be used by business owners to save on company taxes as the profits are passed through to the owner's personal tax rate. If there will be multiple people involved in running the company, a corporation would be a better option rather than an LLC because the existence of a board of directors provides oversight. In addition, a business can consist of a person who owns it and it is an S corporation. The company profits can be distributed as cash dividends to employees. This can make for a great employee benefit. Should I make my LLC an S corp? One way of protecting yourself and your business is to establish an LLC. This will help you separate personal and business assets, giving you more freedom to choose how the business is structured. It is also worth considering that once an LLC has been established, it may also be possible to convert into a corporation. An S corporation may be more suitable for companies with many people involved due to the need for a board of directors, up to 100 shareholders, and more regulatory requirements. The bottom line, LLCs are easy and much cheaper to set up in comparison to corporations, as there are less stringent operational rules. It is much simpler to maintain the business and remain compliant with laws. Nevertheless, if you are planning to take on substantial outside financing or ever issue stocks to the general public, you will want an S corporation. It's of course possible to change the structure of a business if the nature of the business changes to require it. That said, doing so often might involve incurring a tax penalty from one type to another. For best result when starting a business, it is vital to initially choose the right business entity. Therefore, it is generally a good idea to consult with an accountant or a lawyer before selecting which type of business entity would be best for your business, especially if it is a new one and you do not know what direction to go in. Thanks for watching this video and do not forget to subscribe to my channel.